Kristall Bohème, it's a composition between circus art, movement, opera singing and music. So it's a project where I want to bring together the old and the new. It's a project about transgenerational memory, our roots and origin, but it is also a project to visualize glass-making art, an art craft which is disappearing. And it's also the art craft of my grandfathers and grandmothers. I work the object and the apparatus like an extension of the body and in a mutual affection. That means I like to receive what the object tells me and the other way around. This is really interesting when I'm working with the old glasses of my grandmother, for example. For me, the connection to local glassmakers, it's also a way to learn. What do we have in common? For example, the play with gravity is significant for aerial acrobatics as much as for glassmaking. For the piece Kristall Bohème, on one hand I wish we can tour a little bit and that we have several dates in certain places. But on the other hand, one dream is to have like a piece with glass blowing or glass making live on stage. Or another possibility is to have a scenography all out of glass. To work a lot the light of the reflection, to work the fragility, to really have a time of creation, like a long time of creation in one place. I want to further develop the piece. That means I want to look for places of reference for glassmaking, to collaborate, to maybe also to create an adaptation for museums. There can be a movement performance, it can be there can be performance fragments together with the audiovisual installation. For these kind of different versions, I still look for partners. It would be really great also to just have space and time and then do some performances in the same space, because for me it's really interesting to work with the space itself, to work with the context itself. From my experience now, it's really nice to just be there, to observe, to learn, to get to know this whole world about glass making.